In this exercise, you create chamfer and fillet features on the shaft socket bracket model. Make ADA Mechanical Unit 5.IPJ the active project. Open INV Unit 5.03.IPT. On the Modify panel, click Chamfer. Review the chamfer dialog box. The distance option is the default. Select the 4 vertical edges of the base. To select the back edge, press and hold the F4 key. Rotate the model to view hidden edges. Release the F4 key, select the edge, and then press F5 to return to the previous view. For distance, enter 10. Click OK. The chamfers are added to the model. On the Modify panel, click Chamfer. In the chamfer dialog box, select 2 distances. Select the edge as shown. For distance 1, enter 14. For distance 2, enter 18. Click Flip Direction to see how the preview changes when the distances are switched. Click Flip Direction again to return to the original settings. Click OK to create the chamfer feature. Repeat this process to add the same size chamfer to the other side of the part. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. On the chamfer, select the 2 short edges as shown. Press and hold F4. Rotate the part and select the 2 edges on the other side. In the Fillet dialog box, for radius, enter 16. Click OK to add the fillet features. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. On the front of the rib, select the 2 horizontal edges. In the Fillet dialog box, for radius, enter 30. Under Edges and Radius, select Click to Add. Select the 2 horizontal edges just below the previous selection. For radius, enter 22. Under Edges and Radius, select Click to Add to create a 3rd selection set. Rotate the model, and on the back face directly opposite the 2nd selection set, select the horizontal edge. For radius, enter 10. Click OK to add the fillet feature. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. Click Full Round Fillet. Select the face for the first side as shown. Select the center face. Select the face for the 2nd side. Click OK. The fillet is created based on the width of the part. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. Select the 3 edges where the rib meets the cylinder at the top of the part. In the Fillet dialog box, for radius, enter 2. Click OK to add the fillet feature. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. Select the edges around the rib and the vertical edge around the rib. There are 15 edges in the selection set. In the Fillet dialog box, for radius, enter 2. Click OK. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. Select the top edges around the base, the vertical edges on the back plate, and the front edges on the rib. There are 60 edges in this selection set. Note: do not select the small front edge at the rib/base intersection. In the Fillet dialog box, for radius, enter 2. Click OK. On the Modify panel, click Fillet. Select the small front edge at the rib/base intersection. In the Fillet dialog box, for radius, enter 2. Click OK. Note: the workflow for this part of the exercise added the fillets, concave edges, first, and then the rounds, convex edges. In this exercise, you added placed features to a part. The features included chamfers and fillets.